me well.
I can hear very well.
You can hear me well.
I hear very well.
I don't love pizza.
You don't love pizza?
In fact, I don't love anything.
Since when? When every time I bring pizza, you're like, shit, I
don't love. You don't hear me well. I don't love anything from you.
What's up, my dad, Abi? Just bring you your favorite pizza now is a problem.
Everything you do, you have done everything. I don't like.
I have nothing new.
You don't.
Not even him.
In fact, when you touch me, I feel like cockroach all over my body. Cockroach. I don't love you.
Thank you.
I don't love you. In fact, when I think about you, I think of a zoo. I don't love you.
Since when, Abi?
Obina, I love you because your name is Obina and your grandmother is Obina. Your grandmother was rich, but she don't give you nothing.
She don't give me nothing.
She don't give you nothing.
What about that bomb you used to talk about?
You see, Obina, I love you. I see the bomb. Now I don't love you. I don't see the bomb.
No, you don't see that bomb. You used to tell me that you love my bomb. Now what?
Obina, I don't love you. In fact, I want a divorce.
What did you say?
Obina, I love a divorce. I want a divorce.
Say that again.
A divorce, so.
Hey. You want a divorce?
Don't hear me well.
I'm a million. Wow. Baby, you want a divorce?
Hey. What is your problem? You don't hear.
You're troubling trouble before trouble troubles you. Do you know what you're talking about? You divorce me. Have you forgotten? You divorce Obina. Don't talk Okeleke. Granddaughter of Kokwa. Hey! You deny. I'm not going anywhere. Let me tell you first. I'm going to curse you. Curse your mother. Curse your father. Curse your grandfather. Curse the entire clan. I'm telling you.
Obina.
I'm even banish you out of this country.
Obina.
What are you talking about? Listen, since you're the one asking for divorce, anyway, let me make this very simple for you, eh? You want a divorce, eh? Get out of my house now.
Huh?
Get out of my house.
This is my house, my baby.
You built it, I know.
I built this
but
house.
But you're the one who wants the divorce, not me.
I want the divorce.
Listen, you are the one who wants to go. You go, you're leaving me the house.
Okay, you take the
By the way, I'm keeping the kids.
Huh?
I'm keeping the kids.
Shut
up. You will pay tuition for them. You will pay tuition for them. And remember,
you're not going to take my kids.
I will be sending you the bills every month in the hotel room wherever. Give me the keys for the course. Give me the keys for
Obina. Now that is the my car now.
Your car. You're the one living. Remember?
You're
the one next to want to be your wife. Come. Hey, why should I waste my time? Remove your shirt. Because you're the one living, and I saw a white man.
You didn't buy this shirt for me, Obina.
I didn't buy it for you, but now I heard a white man has divorced his wife. I'm going to give it to the white man. He's the one who's going to marry me. Hurry up! I wish I shower. You told her, whatever. Remove.
Obina, now what people are going to see.
What do you hope here? I'm believing in favoring you for nothing. You have nothing here. Okay. Another. He's the one leaving me. Not so. Thank you. He's the one leaving me. I was still enjoying this morning here. Now, I want him to give me my tool so that he goes.